Dear learners, welcome back to your educational channel, Learn and Educate, where we're studying basics about the Right to Information Act 2005. Continuing that, where Right to Information provides a framework for providing information, dissemination of information to the citizens by the public authority. This information is available to all the citizens, and the citizens have access to the information which is held by the public authority. In this video, we would be studying about what is the meaning of information. Information as per the RTI Act 2005, as per Section 2, Clause F, information, where information is anything which gives meaningful to a particular data. The difference between data and information is such that information is something which adds meaning to a data that makes as information. When a data is presented in a meaningful context, it becomes information. The method of communication may be oral, written, visual, audio. When the information means any material, which means any material information which is maintained in any form, in the form of advice, a document, in the form of an email messages, a text messages, a record which may be of an opinion, a circular, a press release made by the government authorities, by the public authority, any order, logbooks, information in the form of a contract entered into between the two parties in which government may involve or may not be involved, reports issued, reports maintained, reports generated by the public authority, papers, information in the form of paper, and any data, any material data which has been held in electronic form, any information, any material information maintained on papers, any sample models. Therefore, information is anything which is written, which is in a visual form, audio form, which is maintained in electronical form, and where this information is a set of giving instructions, conveying the messages, where the source of information is in the form of a book, letters, text messages, any email, website, which is available through the visuals, which is available through the electronic means, that is data maintained through emails. Information means something which is disseminated for the purpose of sharing of knowledge, sharing of information, which is shared through a study, which is any information which has been extracted with result of conducting of investigation, and such information is disseminated to the persons concerned so that it can enhance their knowledge. Therefore, where the RTI Act is an act which specifically empowers the citizens of India to get the information in a framework wherein the public authorities are bound to make available the information to the citizens, and the citizens have an access to all the information which is maintained in the form of record, a document, advice, emails, press release, circulars made by the public authorities, the memo, the opinions of the public authority, the orders, contracts, report, any material information maintained on paper, any models, any data held in any electronic form would be under the definition of information which is held by the public authority. Such information have an access to the citizens, where such information which is held by the public authority, they have access to them, and they will have the right to get where any document, any record, any file, any copy of a document, any copy of all such document which is maintained, held by the public authority, would also come under the definition of information, wherein the information is in the form of notes, any extract, the copies of such memos, the copy of record, the copies of documents, press release, copy of circular, the extracts, the records of the contracts and the reports, which has been entered by the public authority shall be under the definition of information.